Where'd he go? It's Pijo in Pattaya. This is down near Jomtien. They call this Jomtien Second Road. You can see in the distance Sukhumvit Road, the main road. But have a look at this. Look at all the condos. More. That's beyond paradise. Don't know if some of these are open even yet. They look fairly new. Spent a lot of money on some of these. Espana Condo Resort. Look at that thing. Sunday, the 3rd of April. Well, let's have a look in here. Look at that. You see in there? It's like little canals. Beautiful. Little bridge. That looks nice. It's nearly 3 p.m. The afternoon looks like it could rain. It's a bit cool today. Maybe only 25 degrees. Look at that. Espana Resort. That's all done up really nice in there. Statues, waterfalls. But this place here, we're only about 10 minutes drive from central Pattaya. They're building so much stuff, it's crazy. See in the distance all the condos behind there. But let's take a look along here, because look at all this lot. Build it and they will come. Massive block of land there, something gonna go up. How many condos can you fit in one block? Goodness me. We'll go down through there, the beachfront in a sec. A little bit windy, you might hear the wind noise. Lumpini Park Beach Sea View. Look at that lot. Goodness me. And even over there, they build them everywhere. Well, I hope you can all come back and buy some of these condos. Keep putting more plans in for more. Let's just build another one just in case. The COVID cases gone up a little bit slightly in Thailand. But that's no good. Condotel chain. There's a few down in there. Trio Gems Condo. That's the 7 Seas. You see that orange buildings there? 7 Seas Condo. But this is a good road to get to Pattaya. It's fairly quiet road. New road, Jomtien Second Road. Let's take a look down near the beachfront. Jomtien. So up there to Pattaya in the distance. A couple of bars around here too. All these little sois in Jomtien. I don't often come down to Jomtien. I'm more of a Pattaya boy. Hanging around central Pattaya, but it's nice to get out and about. You see different stuff. And if you want a quieter lifestyle, well, you come down to this area. It's certainly a lot quieter. But like I said, bit of a breeze today. The jacket's on. Thai girls will be feeling a bit cool. Yeah, Gold Monkey Cafe. Little cafes and bars everywhere. Let's take a look at the beach. Not really a good beach day. It's Jomtien Beach Road. This is the quieter end up here. Great cafes along here. Some big condos here and there too. But yeah, I hope you can all come back soon. The bar's still closed, 11 p.m. Nothing much is changing there. Although some bars seem to be open a little bit later. Look at that, coffee on the beach. So that's the Soi Thanon condo there. Massive block. They're redoing the whole beach here, putting more sand in. That's why they got the barricades up on the beach side. Beach regeneration. Pretty sure the tide just washes it away anyway in a big storm. But yeah, they're not going to change any rules yet for a couple of weeks in Pattaya, looks like. Stick with the one-day hotel for you tourists coming in. That's the only quarantine you have to do. Of course, there's less tests now. Yes, thank you, Pijo, coming through. There's another big block in there, look at that. The Eros. Look at those penthouses up the top. Buy, sell, rent. Look at these places. Man, how many can they build? Lumpini Park Beach, that's all those skinny ones in there. Looks cool. Shame it's not a sunny day. Get a lot better picture with the blue sky, with the sun out. Look how wide the beach is now. They put the extra sand here on this section. You can see, but there's no shade. You're out there when the sun's out, it's hot as hell. Be a little bit busier being Sunday. Bangkok people come down, having a look around. Great little Thai cafes like here. You've got the plastic chairs. Seafood. You can smell the barbecue going here. That smell of charcoal, don't you love it? At one stage this road got washed away. I remember the water came up here. That's probably why they put more sand out there. Sigma Resort. It's an old style resort there. Look, swimming pool's abandoned, that resort. Great spot to come along here, watch the sun go down. I think my time's nearly up, guys. Let's just take a quick look along here. Thanks everyone for watching. You can see there Pattaya Park Tower in the distance, all those condos, overcast Kolan Island. And down there, Satahip, the Navy base, and more condos. But thanks for watching, guys. Cheers, everybody. It's Uru from Pijo. Over and out.